Going to be a fairly unsettled start to the week, but then things will settle down as the week goes on. Now, we have had some rain this morning. Looking at the satellite picture, you can see quite a lot of cloud across the eastern side of the UK. Still some rain here, and out into the Atlantic here there's a thick, massive cloud brewing. That's our next area of low pressure. Now, the low pressure itself will move to the north of the United Kingdom, but it will push some wet and windy weather across many areas through tomorrow and tomorrow night. But then an area of high pressure starts to build in from the east, and that means that things will tend to settle down. But weather front's never too far away from northern and western areas, so there could be more cloud and some patchy rain here. And it's a windy start to the week too, some gales in some exposed northwestern areas, but those winds quite quickly ease down as we head towards the middle part of the week. We're expecting light winds in the second half of the week too. And as the wind eases and we start to see a few holes coming through the cloud, there could be a touch of frost in many places through the week, and it looks like it will turn colder across southern Britain in the second half of the week. So one way or another, it's a pretty unsettled start, but it'll then start to become drier away from the northwest. There'll even be a little bit of brightness coming through, but there'll also be some frost by night. So let's put a little bit of detail on all that then. And for this morning, it has been quite wet in eastern areas. We've still got some rain in eastern areas, and that rain is going to be very reluctant to clear away from parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia and Kent. But for the rest of us, it should brighten up. A good deal of sunshine coming through during the afternoon, and it won't feel too bad either, with a top temperature of 7 to 9 degrees, although that's not quite as mild as it was yesterday. And then tonight, well, it stays quite cloudy down towards the southeast, although most of the rain will die away. For most of us, it's going to be dry, clear and frosty, and there'll be some patchy dense fog, which could cause some problems in tomorrow morning's rush hour. As I say, it will be a frosty night in many central areas, temperatures down to -1, -2, maybe some ice on untreated surfaces, but we should just about escape the frost up towards the northwest as the wind picks up ahead of our next batch of cloud and rain. So a pretty wet start for the day in Northern Ireland, a fairly foggy one in some central areas, but that fog should clear as the rain spreads in from the west, turning to sleet and snow over the high ground of Scotland and not arriving in the southeast until after dark. Meanwhile, during the afternoon, it'll brighten up across northwestern areas, but there will be quite a few showers. Temperature-wise, still a little bit above average for the time of year, at around about 7 to 9 degrees. Now on Tuesday, most places will be dry with some sunshine, but there will be showers across northwestern areas, and it looks like it's going to be quite cloudy with outbreaks of rain in the southeast. And then it looks like that cloud and patchy rain will move westwards again during Wednesday and Thursday. So quite a lot of cloud in the second half of the week across southern areas, 1 or 2 drops of rain perhaps, but many places will be dry with a little bit of sunshine coming through, turning colder towards the second half of the week, and we could see some rain starting to spread in from the northwest, and that could turn things quite icy in 1 or 2 spots. That's it.